What are you going to do with it?
Scare kids.
One thing about Pedro's, they will come through, okay? They will come through. I'm feeling all prepping and preparing for a trip to Jordan tomorrow.
I'll be on my grind. Did you find some Adiri? Money on my mind. My 9 to 5 is my ride or die. Record label never loved us. They just wanna see the money flowing. Now I see the bigger picture. They just manipulate us. That's when I can go around the car. I'm doing this for my future. Chopping money like a chapo. Regan the 7 money can get locked up. It's all about the moolah. It's just business. It's just business.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sheikha Collette, aka Mama Vibes, aka Makoti with the biggest vibes. Create lifestyle content, fitness, and travel content. And with that being said, we're in Botswana. Yay! I'm from Botswana and based in Zimbabwe. Yeah, so we're starting the vlog now with my baby speaking in the background. And no guys, don't ask me when I'm gonna show her on the internet. I don't know if I'll even ever show her on the internet. You know, the internet is just full of bad energy, you know, bad comments, and like, she's so precious to me, man. I feel like if I read a bad comment, I'd want to come with fire. So for now, no posting of the baby, okay? And let's not ask about it or talk about it. Yes, maybe one day she'll be an influencer baby, but not now. I wanted to unbox something with you guys. I don't know, the age that I'm at right now, I get so excited over like random things. Now I'm excited over a new set of toothbrushes. These are the best ever, okay? Glister? Yes, Glister. It's from Amway, and no, I don't do Amway. But that product, I'll give that product a 10 out of 10. I mean, Herbalife doesn't have things like toothbrushes and toothpaste. So I'll nicely support another brand when it comes to that. This is how the pack looks like. And then inside they are, I think, no. There must be 4. 3, 6, 9, 12. Yes, 4. So you're supposed to change your toothbrush every after 3 months, ne? That's why the box comes with 4. So it's a supply for a whole year. And then the very amazing toothbrush. What? What's this? Toothpaste. Thank you, boy. Thank you. So you're listening to me. Toothpaste. Let me show you guys properly. What am I going to show you? You see nowadays everything is everywhere. Everything is everywhere. One thing about Pedro's, they will come through, okay? They will come through. They'll come through. And this meal is around $130 pula. That's about $10, more or less. And it's a full chicken with rice. Shout out to Pedro's. I just wanted to show you guys that. We're at Toys R Us and Junior wants a toy, as old as he is. So where's Uncle? What are you going to do with it?
Scare kids. I want these toys. Fun.
Deals and deals. Gotta save and save. Gotta run a boy. Literally.
What a toy. One like a toy.
No, Junior, you're too old for toys. How about that you want wings? If it's a toy and wings, what do you want?
Wings.
Thank you. I'm back home from Toys R Us, from Airport Junction. That's a mall. The reason why I went there, my people, is because I needed help assembling. Whoops! Careful. Hey, gosh. 2 seconds. I need to leave the house again. Let me quickly tell you guys. So, So the girl has this, ne? And she's had it for a while, since she was born. So before we were using it as... Come in! Hold on. Okay, that was my brother. Wait, I was saying before we were using it as a rocking bassinet, right? And now because she's big, she can fit, but you know, she's not free. Now I wanted to use it as a rock and play. It's basically a 5-in-1 rocker and bassinet. You can use it for bedtime. Literally put it on top of your bed. I don't know if you guys can see from here, but yo, it's so big. On top of your bed as like a mini court, and then as a rocking bassinet, as a rock and play, and great for babies and toddlers. So you can still use it as sort of like a seat for your toddler. What else? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the 5th one? Oh yes. Okay. Removable seat and can be used as an infant carrier. So you can use it as a carrier. Now I couldn't put it back into like rock and play mode, so I had to take it back to the shop, only for the guy to tell me that, oh, you know, we don't do this, so it's gonna come with a charge of 50 pula. I'm like, but you guys helped me put it together before. Surely you can help me again, and I can pay, yes, but don't give me a figure. Let me thank you from the bottom of my heart. You know, when I give you 20 pula, 30 pula, even 100 pula, just don't give me that amount. I'll show you guys how it looks like. Okay, in the meantime, I also bought her more dishes, 4 bowls, different colors. The ones she has now have a lid, but I was like, you know what, I can't keep washing all the time. Let me buy extra ones. But these, they were, where's my receipt actually? I don't know where the receipt is, probably in my handbag, but they were affordable. And then I had to stock up on more breast milk storage bags. And then I had to buy her another silicone bead. Yeah, I prefer these ones, not like the older ones that we used to have, the cloth ones. I use those ones for her drool, like when she's just randomly chilling, you know. And then this is specifically for eating. She also has like a full, like one that you wear. That one, yeah, bro. That one she uses when she's snacking, because she uses her hands, her body, everything. And then I'll show you guys what I got from Clicks later. But for now, I need to go. Let me show you how the seat looks like. It looks like this. Never mind my brother's stuff in his room. Looks like this, looks like this, looks like this. And she can swing. Okay, I need to go. I've been meal prepping and preparing for our trip to Joburg tomorrow. Remember this container from the previous vlog when I was showing you guys the NutriBullet baby blender? Finally got to use it. So I've meal prepped for the girl. This is, what's this? This is pear puree. This is butternut. And then this is apple puree. Apple as well. This was like remainder left over. And then obviously for the road, I think this maybe she'll eat at home or maybe snack or something. And this is not all just for one day, maybe like 2 to 3 days. I also got these. She's only had these once when we were traveling from Zim to Botswana. I bought 2 and they were purity, but then now I want to try squish. You squish? Yes. I don't know, for some reason I thought it was squash or slash or, you know. Yeah, so I bought, okay, no, but also to be honest, the reason why I bought this one is because on purity they didn't have from 6 months, so I bought 1 from 7 months and then 2 from 6 months. She literally just turned 7 months a couple of days ago. So but the veggie one as well was the first time, sweet potato and sweet corn and apple. I realized like apple features in most of these things, although this one is butternut and carrot, and then apple and guava. And then I tried a juice. She has, okay, no, I think she had once when she was at my guru's place, but I've never bought her an actual juice, so I'll try this. Also trying this instant oats for the first time, and it's new. Well, new as in, I guess, new in the market, new edition type thing. Just add milk, instant oats from 6 months. Baby cereal, original. I thought of buying Cerelac and like, what else was there? there was Cerelac, there was Nestum. But when I saw that it is a jungle production, obviously I took this one. It's giving very healthy vibes. Then what did I do? I packed. I'm about to put in her cooler bag 2 avos, although I mean there'll be avos at home in Joburg. But you know, just be prepared. You don't want to inconvenience people because you're bringing a baby. And then I took 1 largie. There was more. Maybe I should take more because she actually likes this. We're going to be in Joburg for 3 days. So maybe not tomorrow, but then the next day and the next day. And 1 banana. I feel like people normally have bananas. And if, you know, I need a banana, considering I have all these foods, I can always go to the store. This is closable. Can I close it with 1 hand? It is, and then you put the spoon here. I need to wash the spoon and put it. This is also closable. The lid is here. I had actually closed it, and then I opened it thinking maybe it's still a bit hot. That is what I've been doing. I'm so tired because, oh my God, I've messed it up. At the same time, I was making dinner. Okay, let me just quickly wipe it and then put it back. Yeah, I'm that girl. I don't like messy looking things. I was making dinner at the same time, which is almost done. I'm just waiting for the rice to be done in the rice cooker. I'd put the meat in the pressure cooker so that it does quick, fast. Then I just made a stew. Done with the veggies as well. I'm so exhausted, guys. Okay, later. I don't know why this song is on my head since I woke up. Hi guys, good morning. Top of the morning, it's your girl, Mama Vibes. It's your girl, Sheikha Collette. Was good in the hood. I'm here to close off the vlog. I did show you guys the continuation of the shopping haul, Discount and Clicks haul that I wanted to show you guys yesterday. I think I only showed you what I bought at Toys R Us, but I didn't show you guys the other stuff. But it was basically toiletry for me, toiletry for the girl. And I don't know about you guys, but not every time I go in Discount or Clicks, I end up just going aisle by aisle, wasting time, taking things that I had not planned to buy, seeing other nice things. Yesterday, I saw breastfeeding and pregnancy shake that I really wanted to buy. It was even in my basket. And then I was like, you know what? Let me just stick to my Herbalife products and stop like trying to change it up or whatever. I don't have a problem with milk production. The shake helps with milk production. So I was just like, but I want it because it has collagen, although I can get Herbalife collagen and stuff. Anyways, guys, I am off to Joburg. I don't know if I'm going to vlog in Joburg. So this is where this vlog ends. Maybe the footage is short. Never mind showing you guys what I bought. It is what it is. So I'll end it here because I'm about to fly out. Thank you. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, to comment. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you. Papa said thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Donkey, boy donkey, ralibuha.
Utla! Guys, that's my dad. I don't think you guys have seen my dad on my videos. That's my pops. Okay, bye!
Fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like them. You know get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like broccoli. Let it clean like broccoli. Standing on my grind, oh yeah, what they want telling me could deny my fantasy. What they change if my dad be no wrong. But it ain't rush well, it be much. Now go they make my car be the rush. I'm on you because, yeah. It ain't rush well, it be much. We hype everybody be close. on my mind, on my money.
The village, happy independence holidays, guys. Okay, no, I just have to get a mama. What's this? Ramanaka, right? And this is a good to show. Baby girl. And then next to me is my chaps here. My chaps here. And then behind me is my baby cousin. What's up? Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit the post notification bell. Leave a comment. Everything. Share, repost. Wabana. Like I said, it's happy holidays, and I'm in the village. My little brother is actually playing football today. This is why I'm here. We came yesterday, and then what did we do? It was family time, and then after family time, it was going out time. But it was so packed. Mr. Lee, we were at 2.2.
Oh, wait up.
And then it was going out time, but it was too packed. I didn't vlog. And then in the morning, what happened in the morning? Family time still, and then football time. After football time is what? Going out time. I'm going to sleep with my baby. I am going to cuddle my baby tonight. But yeah, I'll catch you guys later.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're in the Bundus and it's so dusty and so sunny, but we can be quite lagging. Yeah, catch you guys later.
That's what's up.